Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. This soup clears heat, detoxifies, eliminating phlegm and relieving summer heat. Ingredients are winter melon, barley, carrot, and chicken. Wash barley, drain, and set aside. Sliced winter melon, optional to remove seeds. Cubes carrot. Pour in all ingredients into Instant Pot. Cover lid and select Soup button boil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, ingredients are softened. Season at taste. Look at the barley, yummy! This soup tastes good. Give it a try. Nice to meet you all. Let's stir-fry celery today. Ingredients are celery and mushrooms. Wash and sliced mushrooms. Peel and slice celery. You may use peeler to peel off fiber. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Add celery and stir-fry. Add mushroom. Sprinkle water if to dry. Seasoning and sauté 1 minute. Plate and stir-fry mushroom and celery is done. This dish is easy and delicious. Give it a try. Today, let's stir-fry shimeji mushrooms with tofu. You need only 3 ingredients for this recipe. Shimeji mushrooms, chopped garlic, and tofu. Sliced tofu. Cut off shimeji mushroom stem. Break mushrooms with hand. Stir-fry tofu until both sides golden brown. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add shimeji mushrooms and sauté. Seasoning and sauté another 30 seconds. drizzle sesame oil. managing mushrooms with tofu is done. Share this recipe with your family, they will love it too. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Don't miss out, yeah. See you in next video.